Okay, folks, the reason I turned Furious around, I've been working on the body work and kind of got this side pretty much done. Got a little slicking up to do, but I want to put my gear in. I got a 410 gear in this bucket here. It's with a spool. I want to put that in. It's got a 373 sure grip in it right now. I don't want to take it back to the track with the sure grip in it, because I've already broken one and I don't want to break that 373. That's a desirable gear ratio. Good street strip gear ratio. Anyhow, so I turned it around. I want to be able to jack it up and pull the center section out easier. If I have more room back here as opposed to being back in that shot. It's hot back in there, and I can set my fans. I got 2 fans I can set up out here and blow some cool air on me. It just got a lot more room. The only problem is about 1 o'clock the sun starts coming right through here, and that lasts till about 4, and that sun really cooks me. So if I'm out here during that time, I can probably just put something across the front of the garage door to kind of block it, but we'll worry about that when that comes. But another thing, I still got some tuning on the carburetor. When I started it up, it took a good 4 minutes before I could get it to idle. I just having to stay on the throttle, working the throttle. It just did not want to idle, and just really wasn't running that good. You give it gas, it took the gas good, but just wouldn't. It idled incredibly choppy, like it's lost 2 cylinders. So got a tune on the carburetor, and you know, with the exhaust facing toward the back of the shop, there's no way for the exhaust to get out. So it didn't take long. Just I don't know, 10 minutes I had the thing running. It just filled the shop with exhaust fumes. You just can't bear it. So I'll be able to tune. I'll put some fans up out that end of the shop and tune on the carburetor, let it run. The exhaust will blow out this way. Maybe have a fan helping to suck it out. So that's another good reason why I did that. And just the body work, being able to sweep the body with the sand and dust and stuff out easier. So but I do have another problem. This damn thing, I only had the 1 battery hooked up, had this one hooked up, and it wouldn't start, wouldn't do nothing. Dead as a doornail. Checked, it's showing a little over 12 volts, which isn't enough, but I've been charging it, so I don't know if I got a battery problem. I thought I had a problem with this battery, and it had discharged, probably because something's wrong with this one. So ended up hooking both batteries, just to move the car, hook both batteries up, which I've never had to do. And so I'm going to charge this one up and see what happens. I also want to check the fuel. I want the fuel in it was bone dry. Well, I don't know about bone dry, but I couldn't, none picked up on the stick, which has got foam in it. But so I checked for leaks. Don't have any leaks. I guess I just ran the thing low on fuel. But I guess another thing is, other than the battery issue, is when I rev it up, the misfire's back. I thought I had the misfire down to just a minimum, but it's back again. So clearly it's not a carburetor. So I guess I'll look at the distributor, maybe the wires. Probably look at the distributor cap and the plugs. I may swap the plugs out. I don't think it's a plug. Who knows? But I don't think it's carburetor. It's doing the exact same thing that the other carburetor did. So it's developed a misfire somehow or another. Who knows? But I don't want to take it to the track with that misfire, so I was hoping I can get the gear put in it this weekend and take it to the track Thursday, but don't know if that's going to happen. Anyhow, that's where we're at, folks. I'm going to go inside. It is 90-some degrees. It's cooking my tail.